Oh.
Look at that!
Whoa.
Oh, how could you not choose this apartment? How could you not choose this apartment if you had your choice?
How could you not choose this apartment?
Norm and Jess came second last week.
Wow.
And they get this.
And I think they have arguably got the best apartment in this building.
They hit the bullseye, that's for sure. Admittedly, this bathroom has got the luxury of extreme height. A mature Japanese maple in here and still room to spare. I mean, it's extraordinary.
Oh, it's my favourite tree ever.
If you're going to have greenery in your bathroom, that is the way to do it. My God, that looks stunning.
Thank goodness. Oh, I have been that ripped from every single person saying that Queenslanders are a bit backward by putting trees in bathrooms, and it turns out it's very high end, so.
Shona was in raptures too.
I'm just looking at the marble in the niches that is backlit. Just a little touch we haven't seen before that makes you go...
Yep.
And it makes it feel so much more expensive. How beautiful are they?
Beautiful.
There's beautiful concrete frames around
Really
there.
lovely.
Backlit, very subtle, like really simple styling, just the right amount.
Could not agree more. There's a level of sophistication in here that is just next level. It's a win for me.
So, what did they think of your last-minute bathtub? Well, it looks like stone.
Please tell that they said it was stone on Gumtree.
So it is stone.
It costs the same price as stone.
When Darren Palmer touched it,
It's actually plastic.
Really?
it's actually made out of plastic.
That's what we were trying to replace.
I've got to feel that too. Yeah, it is. You're right.
Oh, no. We got ripped.
So you went and bought a stone bath to replace the plastic bath,
And it was a
you've
plastic
replaced
bath.
it with a plastic bath.
I've still got the ad on Gumtree.
Did you not notice it didn't weigh 800 kilos or something like that?
Oh, I've never lifted a stone bath before. I thought, oh, that's how much it must weigh.
Well, it was the perfect choice.
Can you believe it?
It looks $1 million.
You would never know.
Oh, yeah, we did that on purpose. Yeah, we knew it was plastic.
The whole plan.
It looks like concrete, and it's so much more practical than getting this big, heavy thing up all that scaffolding.
A very clever and smart solution.
Oh, yeah, we definitely did that, yeah. Turns out we're on trend, so good on us.
Fluked
Done it again. Another fluke of the block.
Another one.
I think they've got the visual impact 100%, but unfortunately there are some functionality issues.
Shona thought the towel rail is not in the right position.
Can I just get you to turn around and see how you would work on that? Would that annoy you? Would you keep hitting that?
I certainly would.
And she said there's simply not enough storage.
So that's going to
Yeah.
service 2 bedrooms.
I was hoping to see some storage behind the mirrors, but no,
Yes.
they're just purely mirrors.
Come on, Jess. You're a mum, you're a woman. Think what you need in a bathroom and address that.
Exactly right. Where were you on that one, numbnuts?
I know, most of my clothes are on the floor.
Have a go at that.
So, we got a lot of storage in every room we go to.
The judges are at least very excited about what you'll be doing throughout the rest of your apartment. You just need to think more about planning and details. They can see that you have clearly thought about your buyer, and they think that buyer will definitely want this bathroom. That's it.